Today I'll take a quick look at the drive, caddy, an SSD enclosure, and also the Crucial MX300 hard drive. This is the caddy enclosure, the hard drive caddy, whatever you want to call it. It's from Eluteng. And basically the reason I chose this is because it is a little bit different. Inside the box, basically you get the caddy itself. You can see why I chose it. It's transparent and you can see through it. You can see the drive that you have in there, unless you cover it all over with stickers like I do. There's also a cable and nothing else. You have your warranty certificate and you have your instruction manual. Know that you need it. This is a straightforward installation, and I'll also show you how to install the hard drive. USB 3 cable, it's standard. There is nothing special about it. All these drives come with this type of cable these days. The box itself, have a look at it, you can see through it. It's on the table right now. It's protected by a film, and this is the cable. I'm using it from a different drive, so it does fit. Now I have to take this plastic off, which is gonna take me a little bit because it's quite fiddly. I still managed. Slide the cover backwards, that's how it opens. And now I'll try to open this box as soon as I can. This is the Crucial SSD 525 gigabytes MX300 solid state drive. This is what I chose for this. Have a look. 525 MX300. The drive basically just slides into the connectors with a small push, and it is in place now. Slide back the cover over it, and a bit fiddly, but it's gonna work. All the way from the back. And here it goes. Like I said, it's lovely, it's transparent, it's small and light. It is something different than the usual black or colored cables that you have. In a moment I'm going to show you how to connect it to the computer. Plug the hard drive end of the cable into the enclosure, and now we're just going to plug it into the PC and install the MX300 solid state drive. This is the PC, so using just a normal USB 3 connection, plug the drive in, and you will see that the lights comes up, initializing the drive, and then it turns kind of purpley and then blue again. Now I'll show you how to install it on the computer screen. When you plug the drive in the computer and you go to this PC on Windows 10, you won't see the drive in your screen. So press manage at the top, and let's see if it shows on the hard drives on the device manager. Go to device manager and this drive, you can see it is there basically, and then you can see that by pressing properties this device is working properly, but it's just not showing on the screen. Now go to disk management on the same screen and find your drive, depending how many drives you have. Find your drive in the list. Here it is, and then right click on it and choose new simple volume. The wizard is gonna guide you. I leave the partition whole, the whole disk. I assign the letter Y because that's how I choose. You can choose whatever you want apart from C, and then press next. And you can have a few options of how to format your drive. NTFS, FAT. Give it the volume a label if you want to. I chose external and press next. Press finish, and now the computer is just gonna format this disk, give it a letter. You can see it's in disk management right there. Close this window, and if you go back to the main screen, you can see that it's now showing as external disk Y. Obviously it is empty, and now we can add or copy anything that you want on it. The other thing is, now I'm gonna unplug the disk from the computer, and you can see that it is going to disappear from your screen. That's how you install that drive, and that's how it works with the Eluteng SSD enclosure.